And just like that, the bumper tabs are on, so this will no longer come off. I need to adjust this one a little bit, like slot that hole right here, because it's not quite lining up where I like here, but it's good for now because we can get to the main part of this video. Welcome back, guys. Steve here, Cambridge Lex. But this video we are going to be putting in new headlights. And I got them right here. And what I think will make it even better, some new LED headlights. So should be able to see very good after this. Alright guys, we have moved to my basement because the problem with these current new headlights of mine, these guys, is they're kind of JDM inspired. They're not real JDM headlights. So they have an extra hole. So like this is the original headlight, high beam, low beam, turn signal. And then this headlight has high beam, low beam, turn signal, and daytime. And the only plug that I can find to fit is just for a 2-plug, because these sizes are different. And I don't feel like cutting into the brand new headlight to make it fit. So I'm gonna take a little bit of time and get the right parts. I found one of these inserts that fits, but I have to Dremel down one of these tabs just a little bit to fit, because these slots are just a little small. And then I need to find, I think, 3/4 inch sockets for this. And being a 3-wire here, I will wire one to the daytime, which is this one, and then I'll wire the other 2 wires to the turn signal. Not exactly sure how it's all gonna work. So for now, I'm gonna just clean up the stock headlights and throw in the new LED bulbs into the stock ones until I can get all the right parts for these, because I don't feel like just doing it half-assed. I want to get it done right, so I'm going to get the right components and I'm going to get the right sockets and make the daytimes and the turn signals work together. So for now, these headlights are pretty disgusting compared to that, so I'm going to take these outside and sand them. So far I have one 600 grit wet sand down and nothing on this one. This is untreated. See all the little speckles. This is sanded at 800. I'm going to do an 800 again, and then a 2000 because I have no in between. So let's hope that works, but let's see where we go from here. Okay, so I found one little piece of 1500 grit sandpaper. So I did that, and then I did the 2000 again. Still drying, but that's looking pretty good. You can't really see the scratches. But I am gonna have to purchase some like 3000 grit and some rubbing compound, because I don't have any rubbing compound here. But I think for now I'm gonna start on the passenger headlight. Put them right next to each other. Really don't look a heck of a lot different, but should be a lot smoother and get all these pits out. Obviously it'll be shinier after I buff it. Woke up this morning and decided to finish this thing up. I got the headlights polished, sanded to 5000, and then buffed last night, so they're looking pretty good. Got the bumper back on. Everything's looking nice. And let's check out the headlights. Just some 6K. Not too purple or blue, but should be pretty good. So I'm gonna take this thing for a quick drive. Alrighty, so I got the front end all put back together. Still need to do another buff on these, to the mirrors. I painted them and they were foggy, but I buffed them. I think they're gonna be okay, but I'm gonna toss some more paint over them because I know that they'll look even better. There's a lot of little speckles. It's hard to see it, but. So now, to end the video off, we are gonna cut the mufflers off because tomorrow the exhaust comes. I got 2 mufflers coming and you're gonna have to wait till next video to see them. So let's get these mufflers cut off.